Hey y'all, welcome back. And if you're new, my name is Shannon. I'm glad you're here and I hope you decide to stick around. Today I'm going to start this like I start every day, making the bed, and then I'm going to vacuum, and then I'm going to wash some dishes, and that'll be brief. And then we're going to make us a trip to TJMAXX. I want to see what they have out for fall and Halloween, and we're going to do a little bit of shopping, not a lot. So I'm going to throw on some music for this, and I will be back when we get to TJ Maxx.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah.
All right, we have made our way to TJMAXX now, and of course I've got to stop and see the coffee cups. I have a love for coffee cups, I guess you could say. They got some pretty cool little ramen bowls too. I bought two from here back during the springtime. Then I'm going to make my way over to where the cutting boards are and the risers. And then after that, I'm going to make my way to where the baskets are. I wished I would have bought my basket. I had bought a basket from At Home, and it was like $60. And then within a couple of days, I come to TJ Maxx, and they had the same thing, half the price. So this would be definitely where I would be buying baskets. But I know I want to get baskets for my closet to replace the bins. And then I'm going to make my way after I go to where the baskets are and the potted fake plants. I will be making my way to where the Halloween stuff is. I did the best I could with videoing this. The place was pretty busy to be a Thursday before lunch. But I will be back when I make it home, and I'll show y'all what I got.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Can you feel me? Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable, I can feel it in the air. Can you feel me? Can you feel me?
Okay, this is what I have grabbed from TJMAXX. Okay. Pumpkin spice ground coffee. Jalapeno ranch dipping sauce. The hot honey infused with chili peppers. And I thought that was cute. They really didn't have a lot at the one I went to. Or like a lot to choose from. I'll have clips of what I could get, but the place was pretty packed for a Thursday before lunch. I thought that was really cute. That's Nightmare Before Christmas. I mean, you would think we have kids, but we don't. I just like to decorate. We don't normally decorate for Halloween. But I figured this year we would try. Then these, I like those. Those are nice colors. They was $10, so that's not bad. But you get 3 dish towels. I said it must be meant to be. It's a cute little cookie jar. And then those I thought was really cute. And then a little coffee cup to match the cookie jar. And then that, it's missing something that was supposed to go right there. But it's not really that big a deal. But I like the butterflies. And then these candles. And they basically smell like pumpkin spice. It is delicious, creamy, gently spiced pumpkin, stirred with I ain't even got my glasses on. Anyways, it smells like pumpkin spice, like very fall. And then my husband wasn't enthused with this, but I thought it was cute. And then I got another riser. And that's it.